This is part 2 of our discussion on the Tagalog verbs equivalent to the English verb to play. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back! Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In my last video, I introduced you to the root word LARO, which is the Tagalog word for play. From the root word LARO, we are able to form it into several verbs equivalent to the English verb to play. If you have missed that video, the explainer video, I strongly recommend you check it out before you finish this video. Check it out. The link is in the description box down below. In Tagalog, there are several versions of the English verb to play. Each are used in certain contexts. These are LUMARÅ, to play or to play along. MAGLARÅ, to play a game or a sport. MALARÅ, to be able to play. LARUIN, to play something. ILARÅ, to use something to play with. LARUAN, to use a specific place for playing. Tagalog verbs are unique in that they are hardwired to include their relationship with who is talking, who is the action for, what is the action for, etc. This characteristic is called the focus system, which other linguists call voice system or trigger system. In this channel, I am using the term focus system. In this video, we will cover the verbs under the actor focus. Verbs under actor focus emphasize the actor or the doer of the action. We will use them in simple sentences in the progressive, completed, contemplative, and recently complete aspects. This is how Tagalog verbs are conjugated and not by tenses. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin with the progressive aspect or nagaganap. This is when the action is currently happening. Lumalaro si Anton ng football. Anton plays football. Lumalaro si Messi sa Paris Saint-Germain. Messi plays for Paris Saint-Germain. Lumalaro si Luka Doncic sa NBA. Luka Doncic plays in the NBA. In my last video, I told you that the imperative verb LUMARÅ is an intransitive verb that can't accommodate an object. Once it is used in the progressive, completed, and contemplative aspects, that intransitive nature becomes blurred. As you can see in these examples, it can exist with an object. Ayos ba? Let's have some more examples. The next verb means the same as the previous verb but with a slight difference. Let's hear it. Naglalaro si Anton ng football. Anton is playing football. Naglalaro si Messi sa Paris Saint-Germain. Messi is playing at Paris Saint-Germain. Naglalaro si Luka Doncic sa NBA. Luka Doncic is playing in the NBA. Naglalaro ako ng Xbox. I am playing Xbox. The difference between lumalaro and naglalaro is very slight. Lumalaro gives a slight emphasis on the object of the sentence. Lumalaro si Anton ng football. Naglalaro, on the other hand, has a slight emphasis on the action. Naglalaro si Anton ng football. Anton is playing football. Cool? I hope everything is clear. Moving on to nalalaro, a verb expressing the ability to play. Nalalaro ang basketball sa court. Basketball is played in the court or basketball can be played in a court. Nalalaro ang golf sa golf course. Golf is played at the golf course. Nalalaro ko ang Warhammer sa PC. I am able to play Warhammer in PC. Now, let's try the completed aspect or naganap. This is when the action has already occurred. Hence, the action has been completed. The same nuances discussed earlier apply to the respective verbs. Lumarô ang Pilipinas sa Olympics. The Philippines played in the Olympics. Lumarô si Cristiano Ronaldo sa Real Madrid dati. Cristiano Ronaldo played for Real Madrid before. Lumarô si Michael Jordan sa Chicago Bulls noon. Michael Jordan played with the Chicago Bulls before. Lumarô ako sa torneo kahapon. I played in the tournament yesterday. As discussed earlier, there is a slight emphasis on the object. Dati and noon mean before or some time ago. Moving on. Naglaro ang Pilipinas sa Olympics. The Philippines played in the Olympics. Naglaro si Cristiano Ronaldo sa Real Madrid dati. Cristiano Ronaldo played for Real Madrid before. Naglaro si Michael Jordan sa Chicago Bulls noon. Michael Jordan played with the Chicago Bulls before. Naglaro ako sa torneo kahapon. I played in the tournament yesterday. As discussed earlier, with this verb, there is a slight emphasis on the action. Ayos ba? Are you getting the hang of it? I hope so. On to our last verb. Nalaro ko na ang PUBG. I was able to play PUBG. Nalaro ni June ang Warhammer sa PC. June was able to play Warhammer on PC. This time, let's move on to contemplative aspect or magaganap. This is when the action is about to occur. Again, the same nuances apply. In this verb, remember that there is a slight emphasis on the object. Lalaro ang Pilipinas sa Olympics. The Philippines will play in the Olympics. Lalaro si Tiger Woods sa US Open. Tiger Woods will play in the US Open. Lalaro ang Pilipinas sa FIFA Women's World Cup sa 2023. The Philippines will play in the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023. Lalaro ako sa torneo. I will play in the tournament. Next, remember that in this verb, there is a slight emphasis on the action. Maglalaro ang Pilipinas sa Olympics. The Philippines will play in the Olympics. Maglalaro si Tiger Woods sa US Open. Tiger Woods will play in the US Opens. Maglalaro ang Pilipinas sa FIFA Women's World Cup sa 2023. The Philippines will play in the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023. Maglalaro ako sa torneo. I will play in the tournament. And lastly, malalaro natin iyan. We will be able to play that. Malalaro ni June ang Warhammer sa PC. June will be able to play Warhammer on PC. There is so much to cover with Tagalog verbs equivalent to the English verb to play. In my next video, I will talk more about this verb in the object focus system. I hope you catch that. But first, please do not forget to click the like button because that is gonna help this channel reach more people. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.